Welcome to my channel. Today I would be reviewing the Axis Focus 25 fund. This is a well-known mutual fund in India. This mutual fund is a multi-cap equity fund and it's open-ended. So it's primarily focused on large caps with only about 7 to 8% in mid and small caps. This was launched in the year 2013 and has a current assets under management of 11,000 crores. As the name indicates, this is a focused fund and holds fewer stocks. It holds less than 25 stocks in most of the cases. Coming to the basic metrics, we can see that the return since launch is about 14%. The benchmark is the Nifty 50 Total Return Index. The expense ratio of this fund is on the lower side at 0.67%, and the turnover is reasonable at 145%. Unlike many multi-cap funds, this particular fund has an exit load of 1% on holdings sold within 365 days. So moving on to the trailing returns of this fund, it has been quite good. The long-term returns have been quite good. So the 7-year returns at around 17% is much better than the Nifty, which has given about 13.6% return, and the 5-year return is again much higher than the 9% Nifty return. The fund has returned 13% in the 5 years. However, the last 6 months return have been a bit on the lower side compared to the index. So the fund has returned minus 2.44% in the last 6 months, while Nifty has given a return of 2.43%. So moving on to the risk measures of this fund, the average standard deviation of this index is comparable to that of the index. So the beta of this fund is about 0.92. The Sharpe ratio and the Sortino ratio, which usually measure the drawdowns, so the outperformance of the fund with respect to the drawdowns, so those two are much higher than that of the index. So this means that this fund is prone to lesser drawdowns compared to the index. And also the beta of 0.92 also signifies this. So moving on, coming to the asset allocation, we see that it is about equity fund and about 96% is allocated to equities. So cash and other instruments are account for about 4%. The top 10 stocks account for 63% of the overall portfolio, while the top 5 stocks account for about 38%. The sector allocation to financials is about 36%. So, coming to the portfolio of the fund, the portfolio of the fund primarily consists of large caps names. So, as we can see, companies like Tata Consultancy Services, Reliance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Bajaj Finance, and HDFC Bank account for the top allocation. And there is a sizable allocation to companies like Avenue Supermarkets, the Maruti, Supreme, Bajaj Finserv, and Divis Laboratories. The other stocks in this fund include InfoEdge, Shree Cement, Pidilite, HDFC Life, Asian Paints, Infosys, etc. So most companies are top-notch companies in in this fund, and so there would be mostly a problem of overvaluation in some of these names, but coming to the financials and the reputation of these companies, all the companies in this in the portfolio of this fund are top notch. So to conclude, I would say that this fund is a good fund to keep investing for the long term, with and people who don't prefer drawdowns can allocate a bit more to the index in the to this fund, whereas people who are comfortable with drawdowns can find a balance between this fund and maybe a couple of other mid cap and small cap funds. Thank you.